Good morning, students. We shall continue our class, and for our today's class, we are going to do letter writing. We had already finished with the letter to editor. Now, second letter that we are going to start is letter of inquiry. That is, you have seen an advertisement given in a particular newspaper regarding any institution or any coaching center, and you want to join that institution or coaching center, but you have no information about that institution or coaching center. So for this you will be writing a letter inquiring about the details of that institution or the coaching center. So how we are going to write? The format will be same like the letter to editor, only few changes will be there. That is, you have to keep in mind how you do the beginning and how you end the letter. So first thing we are going to do is go through the format. In the format, first thing when you're writing an inquiry letter, the first thing is you are going to start with the sender's address. Sender's address, the one who is writing. The sender's address might be given in the question. Sometimes you get the address of the sender also in the question. So if it is given in the question, you are supposed to use that address. If it is not given, then you are supposed to create or you are supposed to write your own address. After the sender's address, you are going to leave one line and then you are going to write the date. Now when you write the date, you are not supposed to write DATE, the spelling of date. You are just going to write, for example, 11th April 2020. 11th April, you can put a small comma, 2020. After writing the date, you are supposed to leave one line, and after leaving line, you are supposed to write the receiver's address. Receiver's address means to whom you are writing. For example, the person who is in charge of that institution, or maybe the director or any person related to that institution or the coaching center, for example. The address also of the receiver, sometime it is given in the question, then you have to use. If it is not given, you are supposed to create it. And please remember, the address should not be too long. Maximum 3 lines you should complete the address, both of sender and the receiver also. After receiver's address, in the next line, you will write the subject. That is what you are writing the letter for. That is inquiring about what. So that will be subject. And keep in mind, the subject has to be also short. It should not be too lengthy. After the subject, in the next line, you will write the salutation. Salutation, that is either sir, you put a small comma, or you can even write dear sir. So this is your salutation. That is your writing to the person. Now one thing, that is in all the kinds of letter, the CBSE has introduced a new thing, that is salutation can be written first before subject also, and subject can take the place of salutation also. If you write subject down and salutation on top, there is no problem. Even if you don't write, the letter is correct. Like that also the format is correct, but this is a new thing introduced, that is salutation has been put on top in the subject's place and subject has been shifted to the place of salutation. Okay. After the salutation, then you will write the body, that is the content. That is what you are going to write in the body of the letter. That is what your matter you are going to write. Now when you write the body, you will write it in paragraph. That is short paragraphs you can write. Always your starting line should be This starting lines you learn it. Only the name of the newspaper and the date and all, you will write it according to your choice. If it is given in the question, you will use that, otherwise you can use of your choice. So but the starting lines have to be same, so you learn it for all kind of questions. Now how you will start? I have seen the advertisement in the Times of India. Here I have given the name of the paper, but in the question you might be given the name of the paper, other paper, or you want you can change this also. Times of India, dated, that is you have to put the date when you saw the advertisement. So that date has to come over here. Regarding a course in or of, that is regarding a course in a particular thing, that is for example in computer, and or you can use even of, that is for a detailed course you will use of, a particular course you will use of, and in that particular course if you want to talk about a small topic then you will use in. Now you have to mention the name of the course that you are using. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have passed. You have to write the class which you have passed. You have passed 10th, you have passed 12th. So you have to mention about your qualification, that is the class you have passed over here. With flying colors, that is with good marks. And now I am looking for a good career course. So I want to start a good career course because I have completed this class and I am interested in joining this course. Really, I am so keen to pursue such a course, that is I am so interested. Keen means I am so interested, to pursue means to do this course. But before that I would like to know the following details with respect to this course. Now I have given some details, not necessary you have to write all the details, you can write any 2-3 points, like for example the duration of the course, that is the course is for how long, 1 year, 2 months, 3 months, 2 years, depends. Okay, so you have to find out the duration of the course, then the charges, that is the total fees that the institution or the coaching center is taking, then whether daytime it is or the evening time of the classes, then eligibility of the course, that is your age limit, what is the age limit to join this course, whether degree, diploma or certificate is issued in this institution, whether you are given the degree, you are given diploma or you are given certificate after completing the course. So any of the points you can use. I have written so many points, that is to just to tell you like these are the things that you are going to inquire about related to this coaching center or to the institution. After that, this will be first paragraph, then this you can start in the second, and then last paragraph you can learn this thing, it will be same. I request you to send me all these information as soon as possible so that I can make my mind commence my studies after taking admission. After receiving all the information, I can make up my mind, I can decide and I can start, I can take the admission to start that course. Do make aware of other norms, that is the rules and regulation, please let me know, of the institution, least I should face any other problem, so that I don't, least means so that I don't face any other problem. So give me the proper correct information that is needed to join the course. A self-addressed and duly stamped envelope, that is a envelope I am sending. On that envelope my address is written and also a stamp is put on that envelope, is enclosed for the reply, so that you can send your reply through that envelope which I am sending you. So this you can use the same matter, starting matter and the ending matter. In between you can write any of these points which you want. Whatever type of letter comes, that is inquiry letter, whatever question comes, you can start with the starting lines and the ending line, and in between you can fill whatever inquiry you want to ask. Then you will end with yours faithfully, and then you can write your name. If name is given in the question, kindly use that name. If it is not given, you can use your own name. So here we come to the end of the explanation, that is explanation of letter of inquiry. You can write the format first in the copy. This will be your second letter which you are going to do it in the copy. Those who have can start. Those who don't have, please note it down in the rough copy because it will not be repeated. So format you write first in the copy. Format, that means sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body or content. No need to write in the format all these things. This is just to give an example or to explain to you all. I have written this, otherwise in the format till body, and after body yours faithfully and the name, and then you can write one example which I will be sending, because later on I will be giving you question which you are going to solve it in your rough copy. But at present you only write the format and the example which I am giving. Do it in your fair copy. Go through both the format and both the examples. Thank you.